Hello and welcome. You're watching MBC Television. This is Abigail R. Kharmalem bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. KHADC collaborates with World Bank to combat garbage issue in the state. Nectar organizes modern beekeeping training for northeastern beekeepers. Tragic elephant attack claims 2 lives in North Garo Hills. And Meghalaya Traders Fresh Vegetable and Ginger Association exhibits tolerance on United No Threat Movement members' misconduct. And now the news in detail. In a significant step towards improving cleanliness and waste management, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC convened a meeting with officials from the World Bank on October 9. The meeting held in India saw the participation of prominent World Bank members, including waste specialist Kate Newman, waste water operator Terry Martin, urban specialist Ridhiman Saha, and others. During the meeting, Panyat Singh Aim, Chief Executive Member CEM of the KHADC, addressed the attendees and highlighted the Council's commitment to promoting cleanliness and responsible waste disposal across the state, particularly in the 5 districts under the KHADC jurisdiction. CEM emphasized the need to educate and encourage citizens not to litter or improperly dispose of garbage and domestic waste. One of the key outcomes of this collaboration is the establishment of a Resource Recovery Center (RRC) that will play a pivotal role in segregating biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. This initiative is a joint effort between the KHADC and the World Bank, aiming to create a more sustainable waste management system and reduce the environmental impact of improper waste disposal practices.
Ke District East Khasi Hills, District Riboy, nangta ka West Khasi Hills, ke Eastern West, ke South West. Minta ka sengi, nila yo banyak kenduk kerpang, bat ki official, bat ki he jongka World Bank, ki bawan, ban ya kenduk kerpang yangi, hadin ba nakaliang jongka ni ke Executive Committee batumai, hadin mengilayo ban shimti ke isi haka aphotarik ujun mentau snap ngila Peit iki kam kiba idon kamba hakmat ke bangi de bentre kum ke Executive Committee te habede bakani tingila khot ia ki niki official jongka World Bank napo ki napo badai napo USA na Amerika bakentup ya Terry Martin, the Senior Urban Development Specialist jongka World Bank, nangta u Kate Newman, badai Waste Specialist International Consultant, nangta Ridhiman Saha, badai Urban Specialist badai Peit yaka India, ba base yaka office jong u hapo New Delhi, badai ru naka World Bank. Te kajing kendu kajongi mentakasi nyathir nyatai nyekren hakabaide pat kajing long jingman jongka nika jaka kajungi kari kajungi kumno ban wanra ekanika yaki kendon ki guidelines ka system in place ka bengiong kanika ka clear mapping kajungi but nakaliang ka isi kumno ngin address yakanika problem jongka solid waste. Te naduk ka village level, haduk ka hima, haduk ka district council. Te habide ba kata ngila ikran, but lingba kani ka jing ikran, ngila shim ya karai. Menta kani ka meeting, ba kawai na kata ngin yak shwa ka capacity building program. Capacity building program kamut ba nakal yang ka council ngin try lang ba ka hima ba kishnong. Ban ay ki awareness program, lakalong physically bangin late haman kishnong. La kalong daki bor kajuk jing start menta daki online daki media but kiwe kenang ba kani ka capacity building program awareness program ka bangin ai nadu ki village level hadu ki hima hadu ka council kanlong ka ba job but ngi ka jing tumu jong kani kalong ban hikai ki brio kumno ban te lakam yakiniki jing sapriang jong ni jong kiniki solid waste ki bateng penjabok ka pen sapriang hapo kamariang ka penjabok wat kiwa ki hapo Shillong kiwa do ki kini ki Telong catchment area ru. Te kani ka capacity building program, awareness program ngin ya wat haki nadu ki school, hadi ki colleges, te hadu kini ka ki Cakayo market area ki baya Peit. Te but ngin ai awareness hakum kita ki rukom. Te kabaar pat baide ba kani ka meeting ngila shimru ya karai ba ngin identify lani ngin jiet biang sakat tu kat ni teli ki jaka bangin bangin penlong pilot project ya ka RRC kadika Resource Recovery Center kamun haduk mentang ngidang don ya ka Resource Recovery Center jong ka solid waste management program tu jongi kadang don tang hapok mulai moro Mentang ngindang identify syu sakat tu kat ni kecaka ba kajing terekam jong kani ka RRC kalong ba ha kani ka RRC kalau dan ka construction ki sheds ki repair but ngin khot yaki self help group na kitu gisno but ha kani ka ikaba kan terekam kalong ba andala wanra ki waste na po shnong hang ni ngin segregate ki waste ngin penbentai ki waste kinu ki bapuot kinu bampuot kinu balak ban recycle kum ter kinu balak ban de kelaru te habide ba kenika meeting menta ni la terwa ke World Bank ba kan ai jing rap ingi ngin ya trailang nadu ban ai awareness program kila dan ya ka jingmang ya ka budget na benta kata but hadu kenika baide ba kenika resource recovery center kaba ngin identify sakat tu kat ni teli ki jaka bangin bu ya kini ki RRC banlong kajing yarap na kamta ki ba kamtam haka solid waste te kini di ki pilot project te ni ka rules haka ni ka solid waste management rules kaba thamai ka bangin penrung kan dandu wat ka penalty ya kini ki ba le kamta te kani kan yarap ha wat ban penek pensa ru wat ya ka jingkhut jing suba jong kini ki Telong kejongi ki catchment area bat kumju kan penkhut wat ikini ki wa dut ki don pun bah ki wa mentah po Shillong ke bam wa mkhra ka bam internet shu ban Peit ka wa mshapi namar nak ki babon bah ki jaka ki la tut ki nyut ki ba per ha kini ka wa te la shai ka sngi ni lai pen bait bakan don ka field visit te ka baning kong ngin lech ha ka por khat arbaje men singi hang te ha po wa mkhen hang te po them masuk kenika Shillong madarting ngin late field visit hang tu ngin late Peit site inspection nang tu ngin hersa po umpling ngin khot lang ki Shillong bamarjan kum ka lapalang ka nongra ka renja kiwi nang tangin hersa po penthor umkhra nang tangin hersa hang te po RRC maulai moro bat kumju ngin wan Peit sai ka marten ringkap ikini ki official naka World Bank te ka jingtmu kalong bait ba ngin yo ka permanent solution habai dei ba kanika solid waste te nginam kwa ban ong ban shupen khut tang hasnong ngin celebrate hakwe jaka ba nang ta kan sami biangka jing ni ang nut ru ba kanika executive committee kan daka jing trailang ba ka World Bank daga jing trailang ba ka World Bank hakanu kanu korkom ngin la ban wanra kawe ka processing plant nang taka waste but nginam dai shu ban ong tang chulik bread kumbalong hapo marten kan mi kajing sma kan mi kan katai henry kan process nang tai te kata kan kham slam khandiat henry ka ba kham kerki ka bangin pentrai ringkap jing trai lang tu jong ka KHDC ba ka World Bank ka dai be halor kini ki artli baning kong ka dai capacity building program ka awareness program kabaar ketika ba ngin identify sakat tu kat ni ki pilot project jongka RRC te kani dika jingkendu kumbalong hakanika.
The Northeast Center for Technology Application and Research NECTAR and autonomous body under the Department of Science and Technology of the Government of India initiated a comprehensive training program on modern beekeeping for beekeepers hailing from various parts of the northeastern region. The training, which commenced today, will run until October 13 and is being conducted at the RRTC Training Hall in Umran Ribhoi district. Distinguished resource persons have been assembled for this program, including Jan Arie van Berkum from PUM Experts Netherlands. The event was graced by the presence of Dr. Arun Kumar Sarma, Director General of Nectar, who attended as the chief guest. Dr. Colin Z. Rinthle, Advisor Technical at Nectar, also participated along with Rajendra Jena, Chief Geomatics Officer, and Mariadont Pathau, Food Technologist, both from Nectar. This training aims to enhance beekeeping efficiency, promote sustainable practices, and empower the beekeeping community in the region.
Office Kajungi, Northeast Center for Technology Application and Reach, kemudian ke office headquarter po Shillong. Ni pelong yakni ke training program Shipang ke scientific beekeeping management and value added products. De kajungi kalongba ni persang nak office ni ban pentri kami ke hani mission ha ke bang dak sedang nadu mencim senam bat mentang ya ha ki face bat mentang ni persang ban pelit jimut kambun ha po ke training nambar ke bang isyam ba ki brewji ha ki don ya kata kajing start kajing tip kumno ban penmi ko ngam Henry ru kidon kipor ba ki kisem kita kicing jinjar kumno ban pen im ni kita ki kolni te nakalyang kajungi ru ba ni itu ban ni sutu ba kidon bun kita ki lat ki bentah ka bangin la ban yo ye kita ki by products nakangam umde tang ko ngam Henry kita ki by products ru kum ki venom ki royal jelly bat kum ta ter te hakani ka training ni persang ban ai jing tip baching nang ye kini ki trainees ki ba wan nakaling ka northeastern states kumba fitip ka office ni ka page mdi tangi ka jila Meghalaya Andre ye parok ko ka northeast te kumju ru hakani ka training program ni don ki beekeepers ni ki nong ringap ki ba napo Arunachal napo Nagaland na Meghalaya kumju na Assam abat kumta ter ni ru ban yo ki nong shimbeta napo Sikkim Andre na ki jingja ki bam la kher ha ki por meta kim shim la ban wan shu Andre bat ni kerman ba limba kani ka training program kini ki trainees ni lani kini ki nong ringap inda kila lik phai sila ki jong ki jaka kila la kumno ban penbiang penbet penbiang khamba su ya kita ki sing ki jong ki bat kumjuru kumno ban la ban package vai kita ki ngap ki jongi ki ngap ki jongi namar ba habe pet meta hoi ni la ban penmi kita ki ngap Henry claim dadan kata ka packaging material ka babiang lada pemla ban label ba Henry kam mla ban yo kata ka dor ka babet ka babiang te limba kani ka training program ni kermen ba ni la ban ai jingtip shaki way ba kumno bangin le ban yo kata ka value mo khambun shu kata ka jing corridor jong kata ka ngap publish bu.
In a heartbreaking incident on Sunday night, 2 villagers lost their lives when they were attacked by a herd of wild elephants while crossing a road in the Kardang area of North Garo Hills near the border with Assam's Golpara district. Reports indicate that a group of villagers were making their way home along the Kardang road, which connects Resibelpara in North Garo Hills with Assam, and they encountered a wild herd of elephants in the area. The incident occurred after 7 p.m., shrouded in darkness, leaving the villagers with little time to react. North Garo Hills police confirmed that the victims of the elephant attack were a young man and a woman. Authorities swiftly dispatched a team to the scene to investigate the incident, and wildlife department teams have also been deployed.
Ayo, nasunya mandiri aku khabra. Namanya kecah mandiri. Hey. Jangan ausih yang bu. Tak tahu tu macam mana kari.
The United Neothrep movement took a step towards reconciliation by extending an apology to the Meghalaya Traders Fresh Vegetable and Ginger Association. This comes in the wake of an incident where a member of the movement demanded money from vehicles loading vegetables. The president of the United Neothrep movement, Charlie Rani, led the delegation that met with the leaders of the Farmers Association. Addressing the media, Charlie expressed their deep concern and disappointment upon learning of the actions of one of their members. He made it clear that the movement vehemently opposes any form of exploitation against farmers, considering their mission to work for the betterment of the people, and they took immediate action by removing the offending member from their union. Remarkably, the Meghalaya Traders Fresh Vegetable and Ginger Association displayed a spirit of forgiveness and understanding. They chose to express their benevolence by forgiving the accused member, showing a willingness to move forward and foster a harmonious relationship between the two organizations.
Kalian juga dalam UCM tidak perlu beruan sekhmat, clarify, ban aingir kata keasyaran ban nang sekhmat karena don show gini kejingjia, nampak hak tu besni kejingjia kadai mitik itu kena kita don bereng kejing buai. Jadi nak tahu kila long kila le kila pening ya kada kacing huri-huran ne kata kacing kulmar ban bat pathare kali khmat. Re kumbala ya keren pemeta nak liang presiden la ploy ban wan mi khmat ban trelang ban ila air pesolan badang de khmat pada don kedo kacing jia ikloy ban ya akti kemuan ti kadian bat kaneka asosiasi jumi kumba kiwe gisang barang ju trelang te makiru ki amba kaseng ke batrai nak tak apa kamiat jong abri hu trep kir kiwan sekhmat ban ai kata kacing trelang ban ni tetang ita he le dim ta singi ila isyong ban yamir jumut ban ila yo kata kacing keren ke pasaiso ban nakaliang zukir kiwan me dak musim kacing sohia apa ide bukan kacing cia nambar ba kadai lu ka kata ira yo kakot jong jelahi nambar kumbang ila ikren ila percaya lu nambar ba kumka mutu jong kene ka asion jungi kala keren cia ba ban kentiu ya karep ki parari kadai lingba khai kadam don ke kam khai khabar ngimla ban kentiu ya karep keren tang po jela jungi ngimla ban kentiu ki tingir kam ban le ya ka transport sekiwe jela kedai nak takada ngiru ngila ya tre kene kam re la don bakum kini ki jingjia kalong no kum ka mau jentut yang ngi ban jam sekhmat ya kene ke kam ka bangi ju ya tre lang nak puas puar ba kinong rep te habai dai babat kata ka jingjia na trai tang itahi nak kaliang jungi bangi lawan sekali gabi kicing keren nak kaliang jungi gemdan ia isu mana kaliang jungi kila clarify ya gitu kena kibala euro kila depan besen no jadi nak tahi de try mo kicing long priu ngimla ban piang kadang kicing duna ngai tai kham tam le ha ka sho khau yang suang no te le se ti kicap tin kila ban bakla te kadai usin ningkong mo ka bacia kung kadai jadi nak takada kadai ru ke experience pat na beta jung kiru na beta jung iru ke experience na marah bae keren pat ya kata benong mo presiden menela geli yangi ba kumno ketu ka viral katu ka audio record kere kita ngi ong bangi dan kan ka grup jungi jong ka asun dingi pha grup tang benitip di para member re ka jing flash jong ketu seba ngi ya kata jung benitip mano bale re ya kata ulung kade experience ngi ba nang nei skmat ga ketu ki para member jungi ada yo aku pada ka audio record bangindai ban pha swa saba ni hab ye penbai swa tang po ir lajong matang po ir lajong nimla ban ye penbai kumno ngunculai ra no saba he dai na kata kadau te kade ke jingi keren jingi tasni kalong ka ba seso kalong ka ba I'm still mingiru na kaliang juki gila I'm still mingi bangindam trai susu kene ka tetang ita na trai
te nomor 100 ngi ke jingi keren kong ba lada kinanyalam ka sang kiman mi ujar ke jahar mun ta kan dan jing temu juga kan ujar
nomor pi kawai hi kelong bai ngi om ba lada kinoi lam ta ki wan sikman ka kamut ngi le ngi kloi ban yasuk no mar blai ban yu ngi chi yobo etho para kasi mo para do persna laung makana ki de kiduon jo kono kesem halang ye no ro la ban tho ba de lu nur hoi kala don ke jing mo kata ke jing phone jo ki to kan de nang tai om ba dei ban aila iki kene tai dei kum kino ilam ki ba don gajing sophia kam sim ki wan sikmat kamut ki don syang ta kam sim ban train ta ka imlang saklan ada ki wan sikmat kamut ki kum kino ilam kamut kim kwa kan ban train ya ka ta ka pha ka mer ko imlang saklan dei maki ki kloi ban wan sikmat kamut ki don syang ta kam sim ban train ta ka ta
do nagaliang jong aku presiden juga UCM Sentinel District aga jingjia aga tu si kepol santari nak benta ba weu member jadi ula cim kabu lem da yo bor na ngaku mu presiden bau bat ya ka kali jur baya esrok the hadir ngatu ngalai phone now president juga kasih fresh and vegetable tadi ngatu ngai phone but phone ya but umur bantok Henry ngalaong watok namar ka record audio recording ru ilayo but ka phone number jomiru ilayo hangta ula prache mesin hanga kum presiden bau de bale mau ya kan ia kam na kata kadau ngau presiden ngalapen long ya ka general meeting na ka benta kan ia kam bangin khot haji riu hakani ka Saturday nila khot ya ka haji riu but kata ka jingkot haji riu but ula praru kata general meeting dan bau kam ni bau lele ya kan ia kam but ni nakaliang ka seng but member baro katam ka asyon Pariti penyekam juga seng milarai ba minbe seng no ya une member ubalasim kabu klem dayo bor na nanga patkamtam na presiden rangba jongi ba Charlie baula krenbe kumbawong ula buat bangla krenbe agatu por gasni tena kata kadau giro nagalenga is kumba ga nega kasih fresh and vegetable isngu sibun yai baila khot kloyangi bangin wan hangni mania kren ya ga jingsuk kumta ngiro la kloy wan banila wan nila koru yai presiden rangba jungi iba Charlie ban dia don rekat bat ganiga meeting ban ya tai alor ganiga kam ban ya poi saga jingsuk chongsai dan nagaliang jonga ngaru nangni sakman nga kloy ban ya don rekat ban trelang bat ganiga kasih fresh and vegetable supplier nagbenta kabahagamian junga briu nitrap jungi.
On the 9th of October in Tura, the civil society and Achik welfare organizations, CSAWO, apprehended a group of timber smugglers hailing from Mahendraganj and detained a Bolero pickup truck with registration number ML145529. The vehicle was discovered to be laden with timber logs suspected to have been stolen from the Mahendraganj forest ranges. CSAWO, acting on information received, intercepted the group of timber smugglers who were allegedly in the process of transporting this illegal timber to another destination. However, one of the individuals managed to evade capture, and the CSAWO will continue to pursue efforts to bring the remaining suspect to justice. In a harrowing incident early in the morning of October 9, a family in Pinthor Langtin fell victim to a devastating landslide caused by relentless heavy rainfall. The calamity claimed the lives of 4 family members, leaving the tight-knit community in mourning. The victims of this tragic event have been identified as Pinjanai Rinklem, mother, Bianchi Pawa, father, Edify Rinklem, son, and Villadaroy Rinklem, daughter. The landslide mercilessly swept away their home, burying them under a torrent of earth and debris. Details surrounding the exact time of the incident remained unclear as the catastrophe unfolded while the residents of the village slept peacefully. It was around 5:30 in the morning when the unsuspecting villagers awoke to the shocking aftermath. Ailapon, the headman of Pinthor Langtin, recounted the frantic efforts of the community to assist the stricken family. Tragically, despite their swift response and courageous attempts, all 4 family members were declared deceased, marking a somber day in the community.
Kejingcia, kumpujukcia, manbele kerja sendet, te neliang yang kami ginong cong-cong, arkam taming agak cenong pempa kejingcia si ukro do waktu wa duduk iki mensin bro, ada songut, bat kini kawan kejingcia wa yoi wakta kan ada nika. Si penjat yang kemarin, kejingjor yang selap ai perdi siau na do kharbi ji siau hado ora jan che bar hado ora che te yakani ka jingja man ga wi ga jing ga was nyau doi nei ba wam mdu yo lai lirap ai por bo biang ha perdi ga jing thia ha perdi ga jing kan o yo thia yong ki bro tem snyau tale se ga jingja yakini ki man sen so ngot ka bei upa wa ar ngot ki khan la man ga jan ha ka ta ga yew ong ha ga ki kan ta ai perdi snyau te yakani da tibiga hadin wa sanchi te step mg marjan yung ki wa khai man da khai ki te yo ki te ja stang ya ka bro stang ni to bro pan na kalang yung nga ti por kam man rujin rusten to perchang phone ki police na ka banta bo pa ni ki jingrap bad perchang ila open tip cho video kam te chagi karan sabab bad chagi dc chagi adm na ka banta yo le iwe ka em kam ba ti bo to man ga ni ka kam accident tiêu lại vẫn vẫn chính ẹ, giờ cái liang dùng cái cor bật cam tam giờ cái chân ông lại, thì cái ní man cái gì cái mình chua nó cái chân ông nó cái por, cho em cái awareness, cái chỗ phân tích gì phô nè, rồi hình siêu nó độ prao gì, với stang jor slap prao gì mệt, nó cái liang dùng ngà, đó per chang phô nè cái ní cái wasa cho ní chapọ, nó cái đau của mấy ông biang cái network mía, và mút uong là đại yo pi vani và pedang khandau, là đại yo pi vật tôi cái wasan chero rega man yo view ong yiki yo mi gi na gi yung kam jo ong na ka por yo lisa gi che gi yung ki wa yung yung ki te kani man mem ong wa le dusmon ki wi gi jan yung te ne le dusmon na ga won kini man mai ka jing kata je penchat yo kamariang te na kaliang yo nga snya man ga jing do ko khroi ga chnong to do ya ka kur yong chenrang le ne yong kon tai re ni ga man ka jing palai bai ki jing bo rong ti o na jrong igi pediang iga kat kamu man kamte bad igi jing pendep e jing to na do police bad ya ka exemption yang ka postmortem ki wan gunu ro the death bad ko sa otam so do lai on tep im step khande terik hai por chuji kam tu halon jing tep yang ka balang prestrian ron kat apo jing pala jing pa yang ka chno kita don hi ka jing tip kat kam na leng yang awe chno to kani ka yung ka wi os nyau nhau rai bát cái vi was nhau đeo hay chỉ nhật to mình đây vô cam ong nọ họ đây vô và đi cái ít kini cái dùng to mình init hi hay cái jing vô cái dùng á bát cái jing vô lang cái nong trong trong wara man ki bru ko das dang minat nei ba ele ki khon ki das dang yu he o khon no nong kong yong ki to rusnemo lai school ha kormen pentholang teng kormen lp school trong class a heu cái ní cái con khian wan có đang les ne mirta đang em có hơi dùng, thì cái bay vô pa là man ki minut udi kere đang step de lagi, cái bay to tempia moria, upa de chana mo blok bat kam jo ye tempia moria langi, thì ada yoi le wat sedang kata kajing kere yang kina do step, rusi tenya waji de em ki thau kere ki, ten rai sendet jia no kini kajing jia ko snyau si o kunrat de chim ki, hei por udah sedang no ki bo utei cái dùng ki da minat ki yo poi ki yo biang yo dap bat ki khan yong ki da em ru lai skor kam on ne yo sarwai ka jing tumu yong ki la yo kon tu kon rong ye ki jing em ka ma ka yong ka sam.
In a thrilling conclusion to the Latkor Lumhe Sports and Cultural Club's Open to All Football Knockout Tournament 2023, CB Kharsa TB emerged victorious, defeating STFT with a score of 1-0. The tournament, which kicked off on September 24th, concluded on October 9, showcasing the talent and passion of 32 participating football teams. The final match, held at Lumhe Latkor ground, was a testament to the competitive spirit of the teams. CB Kharsa TB's victory earned them a cash prize of 50,000, a well-deserved reward for the remarkable performance throughout the tournament. In addition to team honours, individual awards were also distributed to standout players, recognizing their exceptional skills and contributions to the matches. The final match was graced by distinguished personalities, including Paem Ainam Manik Saim Hima Millim, who served as the chief guest and guest of honor, respectively. They were joined by Jonista Mauri, Pinshai Mauri, Hetman of Latkor Mauri Lumhe, Francis Jana Nongbet, Secretary, Francis Lingdor, President of Latkor Lumhe Sports and Cultural Club, Vorilis Mauri, Secretary, and other notable figures.
Hoi, harajing yukun. Syaitan hi pejob bat baram. Ke pejob ru kenang ye tre sitom nakawai kapuar. Sakawai pat bakumju ru. Ye ka tim ka baklam poi sa kathong ru. Pimdei banyu mensiem. Pidei banang ye tre sitom hi. Te kani kapuar. Ngai kublai kerpang. Ye kalum he sports club hi. Wala kadang de kasin ke Banengkong. Henry, kalau lompat ke program ke bah ipu ipeng, baru bah ai mensiam kamtam ya piki kena samla, watlah kadang day kesin ke Banengkong Henry, kalau lompat ke program ke bajab, di kanam sim sui ke puar, ngai ke beli kerpang bah, ya ke sports club ke jompi, bakana ya kiu saprang, baru banang ya tri sitom. Nakawai kapuar, sakawai pat, ngirung ini don rengkat banyak kerjaan lam he nedian. Tani
Best pilihan cung di tengah kepai kap.
Kau nang siap ngain ngoi ublai trai kenrat ba layalam ini skmat curu ya katem jingi la kai bah cu tu ka penan ro bad dadan kesprang cingram ro tam nilai ta amlang kerti ni rai sibun ta ublai sibun ta ngai ublai ya katem sibi kharsti hip 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 hip.
In a joint effort on Saturday, various NGOs from South Garo Hills district along with AHAM, GSU and FKGGP conducted an inspection of the Rugapara Health Subcenter in Tura. The NGOs were prompted to take action following complaints from the village regarding the deteriorating condition of the health subcenter in South Garo Hills. During their inspection, it became evident that the Ragupara Health Subcenter had been left in an abandoned state and was being used as a cattle shed. Shockingly, there was a complete lack of proper infrastructure within the facility, raising serious concerns about the availability of essential healthcare services to the local community. In light of these findings, the NGOs have called upon the government to address this alarming situation promptly. They are urging authorities to take necessary steps to rehabilitate and rejuvenate the Ragupara Health Subcenter, ensuring that it can once again serve as a vital healthcare resource for the people of Tura and South Garo Hills.
Rugapara ya subcenter na rebaha nigimung ya subcenter na rebay ni ingon tentang bisong ni niknikani rangko singa nekaha aro bisong ba kanaha ya niknikani rangko manaha nimna skang ba niknikani rangara labor room yano labor room nang dongja and then ANC room aro immunization room aro ya OPD room laboratory room transit home water supply chi rangba dongjai no mamung bisona chi connect kai dorang dongja and then proper toilet rangba bisona belongin niknikani kumen proper toilet dongjani kumen panga niknikani rang baksana ro do electricity ongsung badede wa wiring kaga barang chung kujinga warang ko ba bisong yarang ni bidungo niknikani rang kumat ninga nimna chinga thalataha area benching khat ke by labor room ANC room ya immunization room OPD room laboratory room transit home water supply rang ko de mongsong gapa tahu ni kita kimna ya sunga damni sub center ong ade mana nang chung mota aru singa government ni government ko ba nigi mulat naska one dake na district health mai bawna ko ba in charge rang ko ba health officer rang ko ba mulat naska kha sabai na simang ya South Garo Hills ni Rugapara sungo je niknikani rang ko ma ninga chim yano kham kha inga pa nurse rang dengtang medical officer rang yamang ini nikani ko na simang olgro kat ken chmong ode yano sungo noko ya area odong ba population ba sungni mandrang na ba taksak pe nonggen aro daune ge dake sanram biaprang chunga ge dong gen chmode wamang pangajang ko jokat naman gen ene chang khadong so uko aganingon singa darang government ko soko matnang na ganja hindi ba yaning nikani ko taksak pa sinasa ba susokat yon sinasa aganinga singa Kasopra area ni Angels Jeraket J5 nga wa FKGGP Kasopra Circle JSU Kasopra Unit aro Aham CB Tura nga Tulgatham Angels manne nga ya Rugapara Sub Center ko hinang taribaha nga re bangon da syo agan gemen geta nga rumrang chungja aro pandake chirang chungja nga warang hunuk na geta mana ngori gemen nga government ko request ka nagtas ka na simang kasapay ya ruga sub center ko niat pa China aro yano ning nagking pa plako nagkap niat dekate takchakyon pa China may na ya ruga sub center ro song bagatem ge polat sisa mangnigta matgopa unigaman yanon plak room rang ko chunga ta man gens mo de chela chire ange sanani ko taknak tanang jocem sugamek ya niko sana niko ya yapo mangen semua de area ni manderang na blongen takcakan niko mangen ne cenga government no timan ka woni gaman kasapai ya Southgar Hills ni ya medical department jian headquarter district Southgar Hills ni authority rang ya ruga sub center ko niroke kamkat pacinan ne cenga timan ka utela.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.